Hey guys, it's Mandy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have such an exciting announcement. I am so nervous for this video just because it's such a big announcement. As you guys know, I get so many questions about my hair, how I keep it shiny, how I keep it healthy, how I make sure it doesn't get damaged. So in this video, number one, I'm going to announce that I am a Gliss ambassador and everything that comes with that and why that's such a special, and I don't know, I'm really happy about this. Clearly I'm partnered with them for this video. Also, I'm going to explain how hair gets damaged. I'm going to give you a little bit of an education on it and how I personally prevent my hair from getting damaged and how I repair the damage. I feel like my hair and how I take care of it is the number one question I get on my YouTube and my Instagram. So here are the answers to a lot of your questions. Before we jump into it, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it at any point during the video. And without further ado, let's jump into it. Let's go. Okay, so I am a Schwarzkopf Gliss ambassador. This is what that means. First of all, let me show you a glimpse of the products, and I'm going to tell you about all the awards these guys have won and how I use them and why I believe in these products and the company so much. As a YouTuber and as an influencer on Instagram as well, I've gone approached by many top brands about becoming an ambassador, and I have said no, because to me becoming an ambassador means you completely agree with the company ethics, you really trust in the company, you absolutely love the products outside of the brand just approaching you, and I've used these products for the last year outside of Gliss coming to me, and you also think that this is something that will resonate with your audience and that they will love. So it's not just you who will love it, but it's your audience, because you guys know you're my number one. So let me tell you about the products that I specifically use from Gliss and why I really love them. I'm going to give you a little bit of an education and then also dive deep into how hair gets damaged and how you can repair it, the science behind it. I know you guys love the science, so I'm gonna give you that. So let's start off with shampoo, because you guys know I wash my hair a lot. I have an obsession with cleanliness when it comes to hair. I don't know why. I can't feel fresh and ready for the day until I take a shower. So the shampoo I use, and I have to buy a lot of this stuff, is the Ultimate Repair Shampoo. I love how the bottle looks. It's so sleek and clean. I just love the gold with the black, and the shampoo is absolutely amazing. I'm going to give you the facts about it soon and how it repairs your hair. As you can see, these products have won awards, and I'm going to get into that in just a second. The conditioner that I use is, again, the Ultimate Repair Conditioner. Again, same bottle, and you guys can find these at Target, at the drugstore. I also use the Ultimate Repair Anti-Damage Mask for heavily damaged hair. I actually have so many friends who don't have super damaged hair and they still use this and love this. And this product is, I mean, try it, it's crazy. And then the last thing is the Ultimate Repair Express Repair Conditioner, and this is a spray. Let me show you guys. So that's what it looks like, and it's obviously a leave-in conditioner, and I really like this because it makes your hair instantly combable and easy to work with. So I spray this on all the time, and I really love it. I also like how this pops on really easily because I do travel with this. So here are the 4 products that I use, and I'm going to show you why I use this line and why I love it so much. And for the awards, the shampoo and the conditioner won Allure Best of Beauty for 2017 Best Shampoo and Conditioner. Whoops! Let's get that right. And this over here won People Best 2017 Best Mask. Obviously, if you use it, you'll know why. Okay, let's talk about why hair gets damaged and how to repair it. You know, I get so many questions about hair, but if you understand the science behind it, all of the questions are basically answered. So this is why I want to share this with you. So hair is composed of 80% keratin. You guys have probably heard the word keratin everywhere. It is so overused, but the reason why it's important is because your hair particles are 80% keratin. So what the keratin does in your hair is give hair its structure, its elasticity, and its strength. That is great and all, but every day, here's the bad part, through outdoor activities, through exposure to sun, to exposure to heat, to a lot of things, obviously, your hair loses keratin. So this is an everyday occurrence. So once your hair is damaged, which everyone's hair is technically damaged because everyone experiences keratin loss, it's really, really hard to repair. Getting that keratin back into the hair isn't something that is easily done, and that's what differentiates good products from bad products. Are these products actually able to bring back the keratin molecules into your hair? So the reason why I really truly stand behind Gliss's products is because they do have patented technology that is able to actually repair your hair and bring the keratin back. So the hair identical keratin in these products is actually able to replenish and replace the keratin that is missing back into your hair. And this goes 10 layers deep. So imagine a strand of hair. This technology through Gliss's products is able to actually penetrate your hair and go deep into it. So it's not surface level repair, it's actually real repair. And it's also, if you think about it, prevention. And that is why I really, really love these products. They're not just an SOS when your hair is already damaged and you're freaking out and you have something special to go to and your hair is just not working with you and it's not looking good. It's actually also a preventative measure since you're losing that keratin every single day. So that's why I love what this line stands for. It's not just about fixing something when it is already bad, which this can obviously do, but it's also about preventing your hair from ever getting there, which for me is amazing because I put heat on my hair probably every other day. My hair is still around and it's still looking good even when it's not styled. So thank you, Gliss. So that is a little bit of education on how hair damage and how hair repair works and how prevention also works. I, growing up, never knew that my hair was comprised of 80% keratin, and these things that we don't know are kind of funny to me because once you know them, you know exactly what products to use and you know exactly how to fix the problem at hand. But I feel like the education portion gets lost, and as consumers, we don't really know where to turn. Also, there is a link in the description box below, as I previously mentioned, that explains these products further if you want to go more into detail about it. Obviously, Gliss has more products than these that you can find at Target and other drugstores. These are personally the ones that I use and love. The other products are also great, but these are my go-tos. Also, this was the most exciting part, and of course, I went out of order. Okay, so in December, as you guys may have heard, I did fly out to New York for the Gliss shoot. I'm gonna show you guys photos of the before and afters and behind the scenes. I did go there with other influencers, so 3 other influencers are ambassadors for Gliss, and it was so much fun meeting them, and I still talk to them all the time. And I also got to meet the people behind Gliss, who are honestly the sweetest, most wonderful people in the world. So before we end this video, I just want to tell you guys that if you do purchase these products or use these products, make sure to put it up on social media and tag me in it. I would love to see and like your photo and comment on it and follow you, of course, and use the hashtag #BlissOfGliss because that is truly what this ambassadorship, I feel like, for me encompasses. It is honestly the bliss of Gliss. So make sure to use that hashtag. That is it for this video. I'm getting a little bit goofy. Okay, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon back here for another video. I have a really, really exciting video up next. So I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.